Sit straight and close your eyes. Be aware of your breathing and get ready for Mahashivratri Dhyan. Your spine should be straight and your palms should be in Dhyana Mudra. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath and relax. Relax your energy. Be aware of your body and see if there is any tension or stress or anxiety. Let it go. Take a deep breath from your nose and exhale from your mouth and feel the relaxation. Visualize a beautiful golden divine light is surrounding you, filling your aura with the divine energy. And chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And imagine you are sitting in front of Kailash mountain and say, I invite Shiva's presence in my heart and the soul. I am surrounded by infinite peace and stillness. I surrender to the flow of Shiva's energy. Shiva's energy, by his various names and powers. First of all, think about Mahakal, who ends all the fears, and imagine a bright white light flame in your heart which is expanding and filling whole your body. It is burning all the fears, doubts and ego. It is making you pure. It is making you light and fearless. and say, I release all the illusions and attachments. I am fearless like Shiva. I am beyond birth and death. I am eternal. I am untouched by the temporary. Imagine Shiva is meditating and be aware of his third eye. And now focus in your own Agya Chakra and visualize a beautiful radiant blue light is coming out of your third eye and it is expanding your vision. You are able to see beyond the physical reality and say, my third eye is open to divine wisdom. I trust my intuitions and inner guidance. I can see beyond the material world into the real truth. And Shiva is Adi Yogi, the master of yoga. Imagine a serpent rising from the spine, the Kundalini, and you are feeling a wave of warmth, bliss. And you are transformed. I awake my divine potential. I am a master of my mind, body, and soul. Kundalini rises within me. Shiva is Natraj, the dance of universe, which is showing the change. Dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. Visualize the Shiva dancing and say, I accept the flow of change in my life. With the joy and the trust, I flow with the natural rhythm of the universe. Birth, life, and death. I am ready to change for higher evolution. Now, bring awareness to the Shiva known as Har Har Mahadev. Har Har means who destroys the negativity, absorb the negativity. He is the destroyer of poison. दुखों को हरने वाले. Imagine a beautiful shield of blue light of Shiva is around you, which is removing all the negativity. All the toxic emotions, thoughts, and energies dissolve in Shiva's presence. Let's say, I release all the negative energies. From my body and my mind. Shiv purifies me. Shiv protect me. I am strong. I am fearless. I am unaffected because Shiva protects me. Shiva, Bholenath, he's so kind and he's so generous. Be ready to receive the blessings. Feel the warm energy entering your heart. Feel the love entering your heart. Receive the love. Receive guidance. Feel deeply blessed and loved. Trust the universe. To guide you on your highest path. And say, I attract divine grace, abundance, and wisdom with ease. Bholenath becomes so happy so easily. He's so kind. He is the Ardhanarishwar, Shiv and Shakti, balancing inner harmony, balancing masculine and femininity, in every human being. Feel the balance in your energy. Feel the completeness. Feel the inner union. I am balanced between action and surrender. I am balanced. I embrace both strength and softness. Shiv and Shakti are united in me. Shiv is the silent Guru. Feel the connection in the silence. Connection with the higher wisdom. Be in silence for a few seconds and allow the divine wisdom to flow within you. Trust that you know all the answers deep in your soul. And say, all the knowledge of universe is within me. I trust my inner wisdom completely. Shiva is the biggest divine healer, healing and purification. With golden light cleansing your whole body, cleansing your chakras from the root to the crown. And you are now perfectly healthy, aligned with your energies, and so pure you are. And say, I am healed. My mind, body, and soul are in perfect balance. Shiva's energy makes me vibrate at a high level of abundance, joy, and peace. Each and every cell of my body is filled with light, is filled with energy. Shiva, Mahadev, Maha, the infinite, Shiva, the infinite self, the supreme consciousness, and merge into it. Merge into Mahadev. Merge your consciousness into Mahadev. Visualize the big sky above you, and you are expanding. Your consciousness is expanding beyond yourself. Lose your identity, let go of your identity, and merge with the supreme consciousness. You are the one with infinite consciousness, and say, I am infinite consciousness. I am beyond time, space, and limitations. And I surrender to the divine presence within me. I surrender to the divine presence within me. Be one with the divine consciousness. Let go all the thoughts. Let go the thoughts of consciousness. Let go the thoughts of divine. Let go. Be in this stage. Feel the Shiva. Feel his silence. Feel the silence. And say, Har Har Mahadev. Say Om Namah Shivaya. And say Om. Be into this zone for some more time. Feel the gratitude and say thanks to Shiva for his presence in and around me during this meditation. Feel the Shiva, feel the Shakti, feel the balance. Breathe in and feel the balance of masculine and feminine. Breathe in and remember Har Har Mahadev, the destroyer of poison. Breathe in and let go the ego and illusions. Mahakal. Activate the third eye for the divine vision. Shiva, the Adi Yogi, the master of Kundalini, and beyond that. Be aware of your breathing and feel the dance of Shiva, Nataraj. And the Bholinath, and the balance of femininity and masculine. Shiva, Shakti. Breathe in, come into the present world, and remember the silent Guru Shiva meditating silently. Breathe in for the divine healer, the golden light cleansing the chakra. Remember this feeling and come back into the physical world. Move your fingers, move your toes, and remember the supreme consciousness, infinite. Move your hands and legs slightly and feel Har Har Mahadev. The infinite self. Be aware of your body and the space around it. And remember Shiva. Come back and remember Shiva and say thank you. Take a deep breath. Rub your hands. Put hands on your eyes, on your face. Give energy to your body. And you can open your eyes whenever you are comfortable. You can write a word in the chat, or if you are doing this meditation on the YouTube, you can write in comments how you are feeling.